Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a Python GUI application with tkinter, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python's tkinter library provides a simple way to create graphical user interfaces, GUIs, for your applications. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating a basic Python GUI application using tkinter. We'll cover essential concepts and provide a hands-on example to help you get started. Prerequisites. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Tkinter is included with most Python installations, so you typically won't need to install it separately. Step 1. Importing tkinter. Step 2. Creating the main application window. Step 3. Adding widgets. Let's add some widgets to our GUI. In this example, we'll include a label, an entry widget, and a button. Step 4. Running the application. Explanation. Save this code in a file, example GUI_app.py, and run it using the command python GUI_app.py. You should see a window with a label, an entry field, a button, and a label to display the result. Conclusion. This tutorial covered the basics of creating a simple Python GUI application using tkinter. You can build upon this foundation to create more complex applications with additional features and functionality. Tkinter offers a wide range of widgets and options to customize your GUIs according to your requirements. Happy coding! ChatGPT